If you know anyone who is snoring and they have not been tested for sleep apnea, go and get them tested. Or if you are, go and get tested. It's real easy to figure out if you're a snorer or not. Download an app. I have no association with them. It's called Snore Lab, Snore Lab, Android, Apple. You open it up, you hit record, you place the phone down by your bedside, it listens to your snoring, and then at the end of the night, you can see the amount of snoring, and it grades it from quiet, moderate, loud, and epic. And you see these Richter shocks throughout the night. The worse still, you can then go and tap at any moment in your night, and you can listen to yourself gasping for breath and snoring.